Time now to take a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. It was definitely a hot one. 92 Saturday, 96 our high temperature yesterday, and boy, more of the same today as we look outside our weather window from this afternoon down at the Wenatchee Valley from our tower camera up on Wenatchee Heights, and nothing but crystal clear blue skies out there today and plenty of warm weather. We'll talk about that in a second, but this is what we have looking forward the next couple of days, and we're going to see some winds pick up, especially tomorrow afternoon, where we could see winds about 10 to 20 miles an hour, maybe a little gusty, but I think our windier day will come on Wednesday when we'll see southwest winds 15 to 30 with gusts possibly 25 to 45 miles an hour. It is going to be hot and breezy, and that has prompted the National Weather Service to post a red flag warning, and it's from today into tomorrow afternoon. And here we go for Leavenworth, Wenatchee, into Chelan, over to Cooley Dam, and all the way down into Ellensburg. It's not just the hot weather, the hot temperatures and the wind, it's also low relative humidity. And we're at about 20% today, and I expect that to be about 18 to 19% tomorrow. So boy, definitely fire danger over the next 2, maybe even 3 days here in North Central Washington. Here we go. Unofficially, we set a new record today, 100 degrees. Our old record 99, and that was set back in 2015. Look at that. That's where we should be right now. 76 for our normal high temperature. Our low was almost as high as our normal high this morning. We were at 72 for our low. 54 is our normal low temperature, and 43 our record low set in 1988. Sunrise 5:04 this morning, and it sets tonight at 8:56. Not much relief as we get you into Tuesday. A little bit better than today. We're still almost at 100 degrees. Moses Lake, Ephrata, and Quincy will cool off, if you could call it that, down into the mid-90s tomorrow. So 96 here in the Wenatchee Valley, 95s Eniat, Chelan, and up into Omak, and still even hot in the upper elevations. Lake Wenatchee 92 and mid-90s as well for Leavenworth and for Cashmere tomorrow afternoon. So it's going to be another hot one. Taking a look at what we can expect tonight, mostly clear skies. Our weather driver, this area of high pressure out in the Pacific, it's been providing crystal clear skies and all those warm temperatures, upper 60s for lows once again tonight. So it's not much relief for folks without air conditioning out there. Mostly sunny on Tuesday. And here we go, a little bit breezy in the afternoon. Still going to be hot tomorrow with high temperatures in those mid-90s. So once again, 20 degrees above where we should be on Tuesday. For Wednesday, a little stronger wind here in central Washington. We'll still be hot on Wednesday with high temperatures in the low 90s. So you're noticing a slow cool down as we get into the middle of the week and the end of the week. That will continue as we get into Thursday too. A little bit more breezy conditions for the afternoon on Thursday. That's when we'll really start to feel some cooler weather. Mid-80s for high temperatures on Thursday, which is still going to be plenty above where we should be for this time of year. And then by Friday, the cooler air arrives. We'll see mostly sunny skies. An area of low pressure comes down from the Gulf of Alaska. It's moving some cooler air right down into Washington state. We're talking temperatures Friday into the low 80s. So by the time we get to Friday, that'll be about normal for this time of year. As we kick off the upcoming weekend, boy, it looks like a nice one. Sunny skies and seasonal. We'll see highs again around 81, maybe 82 degrees. Light winds as we get into this weekend as well. It should be, as I mentioned, a very nice weekend. On Sunday, once again, another ridge of high pressure nosing into the Pacific Northwest. That's going to provide some just nice weather as we end our weekend on Sunday with highs again into the low 80s. All right, your 7-day forecast going to be hot. 68 overnight tonight, 96 tomorrow with late afternoon breezy conditions. We're going to see breezy weather for Wednesday and Thursday as well. Excessive heat warning expires as we get into tomorrow afternoon. 85 then on Thursday with some breezy conditions, and then much cooler weather Friday, Saturday, Sunday with lots of sunshine and high temperatures in the low 80s. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.